Bicol International Airport. Sabi ng mga tao taga rito, Daragao and Legazpi, bihira raw magpakita si Mayon yung clear view of Mount Mayon, the world's renowned perfect cone volcano. So ngayon ang tuktok lang ang nakikita natin. World renowned Mount Mayon, the volcano that has a perfect cone. Ayun, nagpakita na rin yung kanyang cone, yung top of the volcano. Bicol International Airport here in Daraga, Albay. Ang center nila dito is Legazpi City. Legazpi City, Albay. Bicol International Airport, bagong airport ng Daraga, Albay.